Hello everyone. Today I just want to do small overview presentation of my network design project. I had to struggle a lot going back and forth for all the configuration, and I have struggled with lot of issues. And honestly, I started my project with one of the network design, and later like there was some issues regarding the subnetting scheme and different kind of configuration, and it was having a lot of issues just for the configuration. So I had to change my whole network design and subnetting at the last minute. So I spent most of my time just figuring out the issues, and then later when I changed everything, then it was getting me a hard time. And now successfully I was able to manage all that kind of stuff, and I just did my project which I expected now. So I think I gave my best to do this project from my ability. So here, I just want you to show my some of the final project document that I submitted over here. So here, when I go to the final project submission, uh, in the first part, you can see my password configuration. This is just a simple password configuration. This skill we use for all the network design configuration, where we use hostname, enable secret command, and banner MOTD, message of the day. And second document I want to show is my update packet tracer file. That is like a new packet tracer file. So I just want to download this over here. Show you my network design. So yeah, when I minimize this, sorry. So when I minimize this, actually my network design takes a lot of space, so I had to minimize this to so small space. Mm. So when I maximize this, uh, I have my HR system, email server, web server, central database server, and sales information system. So you can see one of the switch connected from the Appleton router, and then different server that is required for the project scenario. Also, you can see here different types of connected in users that is required in the Appleton location, like executive here, IT, HR, client A, client B. I have used DHCP IP addressing instead of static for all the my PCs. So here I use hub for connecting from the PC to the switch. I feel like because it makes easier for all the configuration or connection to get directly to the switch, and getting ICMP message from the switch to the router and constantly to the entire network. You can see here my wire in device mail machine, and I have couple of printer that is required for the Appleton location. In according to scenario, we need like five printer. So when we go to the Swiss environment, I'll just wanna show with the show run config. When I do show run here, you can see my basic switch configuration for introduction to different VLANs, switch port SS VLAN 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, and 205. And then you can see my Appleton router have also all the configuration as it is request for the project. So here I need to put in password. So when I do show run in the passport, you can see here my DHCP configuration for various networks. Along with that, you can see different IP address on the various interface. And lastly, I want to show you my this is the basic password configuration, line console and line BTY. Here you can see the SSLid that I have configured for this one. Uh, Here, in the case of Appleton, guest PC cannot ping DMZ server or guest network because for security reason, guest user cannot access DMZ where it have more important data of the organization. Uh, Other than that, from other all the PC can have access to the mm, DMZ instead guest networks, because guest network is just a guest network that comes from the outside and just use the internet for their purpose, and then they are just for like temporary purposes. Same configuration I have for the Green Bay that I did for Appleton. Your DHCP address are included in VLAN of Appleton and Green Bay, but DMZ have configured with static IP address because server address should be static and should be very unique according to the requirement. So here you can see various types of in users on the Green Bay side also. I have your VLAN and marketing, sales, accounting, finance. All of this machine will ping each other. Same here you can see I have the configuration, DSCP configurations. So yeah, this is my network design. Now I just want to show you guys my updated project scope document. So yeah, I have the simple background like everyone have regarding the project scope background, like what the project is about and what the project mean for everyone. Like here you can see analyze, investigate, and concerning the equal and equitability of the any activity in the IT project field, and then overall it means for like increasing productivity and efficiency. Also here I have project scopes, like what is its actual application in the real world environment, like assess the company current server, and like finally dealing with the basic technical skill of networking, such as switch and routing configuration, that kind of stuff. Here I have my high level requirement to uh, network for guest, DMZ for internet facing server, and it's saying like assessing network between two different locations, network to handle and accommodate like or to assist with more than 50 employees in the two different locations. From the my early planning phase project scope, I have updated couple of things over here. Here you can see I have my DSCP, ACL, and guest network design. Some of the thing I didn't able to show up my earlier project scope. Once made all this project to the down to the road, then I just change little bit on these things. Also I have here my affected party, like CEO, IT executive, CFO, and COO. And I have got my affected business processes or system, like the organization undertakes workflows frameworks, particularly HR and deals frameworks, subordinate bolster framework such as printer, mailing, billing, control framework. That's kind of like main feature that company need to handle from the health of the appropriate network design. I have this here. I have changed like little bit from my previous implementation plan on the project scope document. Here you can see the actual that I created my project document. As earlier I told you, I did my whole network change of the project at the last minute. So I have done this at the end of the project. So yeah, my implementation phase is kind of little bit late than the other document. And lastly, you can see my high level timelines, like stage 1 2 weeks begin date to console, and like stage 2 3 weeks upon push stage 1, and stage 3 1 week push stage phase 2, stage 4 1 week push stage phase 3. And then I have just estimated my total weeks of the project to be for like 9 weeks. This is the estimated time I put for completion of whole project. So now talking about my network diagram. Here you can see my network diagram. Actually, my network diagram is taking a lot of space, so yeah, I just need to what to say cut the whole portion into the small parts, because I cannot take a picture as a whole and it is not visible. So yeah, I have my first part, and this is my second part of the screenshot. This is my third part, and lastly, this is the last part of the screenshot. Now, when I go my configuration folder here, you can see the basic configuration for switch and routers. This is my configuration that I do for my Appleton router, and same I did for my Green Bay router and that kind of stuff. Yeah. Now, when you go to my testing and issues phase, early when I was starting this thing, like I was just like unsure about what to do or how to get started with the test plan and finding document. But Dawn helped me a lot to fix this thing. She showed me a way how to get started with the testing and plan, and she kind of gave me a idea. And some of my friends also helped me little bit of the direction that I needed to start this what to say project. So yeah, they gave me help to start the project. So yeah, now here you can see my testing the configuration. Basically, I have just planned my testing configuration into several different parts. You see my basic router and switch configuration. I just say that was successful, and then switch port security and successful, and DHCP configuration, and as I say successful, ACL successful, and ping from Appleton router to the Green Base, that also is like successful. And ping between the guest network in the Appleton successful. But as I say earlier, I had one issues request time out because I was not getting the proper IC MP message, because due to the security reason I have the ACL where it denies the access to the